Hello, friends. Welcome to the farm. Let's learn about the animals. Look at the big red barn.
Cow. The cow says moo.
Pig. The pig says oink.
Oink.
Sheep. The sheep says baa. Here, that's the sound. Horse. The horse says chicken. Wait up. Let's go to the barn.
Cluck, cluck. Duck. Hee duck. Yay, Splash. Again, duck.
Hi, everyone. You're all so fun.
Hi, everyone. Let's play.
Great job. Now you know farm animals.